Okay, this is the 28th of April. Right now this is my location. I'm actually not looking south, I'm looking north, so it's the other way, the arrow. But my target is down here on the southeast. Right now it's about 25 past 8 in the evening. And there was some slight instability. Okay, there was some instability today, like in the areas as yesterday, like somewhere here between Cardiff and Bristol and Bournemouth. But there was no, it was just a slight instability, even smaller than the day before, and because there were no storms the day before I didn't chase that. And there were no storms today, so it was good. Even the model didn't predict any precipitation. And right now I'm trying to be in here the latest by 10. I'll probably be there earlier than that, because some storms are forming in France and sort of the Netherlands. And there is there's actually a southeasterly flow, so storms move northwest, and the instability is decreasing rapidly towards England, but I think there should be some instability left over in France, and there'll be quite a large amount of cape going up, so there will be about 250 joules of cape in here at about 1 o'clock in the morning. But the lifted index will go very quickly up. It will rise to about plus 10 in that area, but it will decrease as we go into France and sort of like southeast. Still expecting to get something out of this, because these previous storms should keep going and go northwest. They may fall apart, but if there is like an MCS or any sort of more organized storms, or like a line of storms or a cluster of storms, it may survive all the way through England. And this year isn't that good, because there is a high pressure north of England, or sort of between Scotland and Finland, the center of the high, which is about 1030 millibars. But I think there should still be quite a reasonable chance of storms, because there is a trough which goes sort of, or like it will be formed in France, and it will move towards the England area, towards London. And in the trough there is a precipitation predicted by GFS, so I'm expecting some of the precipitation to be thundery with lightning because of the cape. And so far I've been going in the direction. There is some Altocumulus castellanus, like over there is a nice example. It's quite dark, so it's very hard to see now, but there are some even better defined Altocumulus castellanus. Those clouds are over there, they are sort of falling apart as they go towards the center of England. But it shows there is some mid-level instability, so there could be some storms. And I will stay there overnight, wait for storms with my lightning detector on, sleep there. But then tomorrow there is this unstable area, it's moving northwest, towards the London area. So there should be the moist air, and this warm and moist air goes northwest. It should be sort of in this area. At about 1 o'clock some instability starts, 1 PM some instability starts to build, and showers should start kicking up, creating a cluster of storms moving sort of this way towards Cardiff. So I'm planning to follow it probably on this M4. I'm not sure, like I maybe bit north, bit south, it depends like where the storms go. And it should survive all the way almost to Wales. It depends on how the storms form and how they survive. Arrive at the southwest coast, just south of Dover, southeast coast. The clouds sort of thickening. See the moon, not bright. Precip situation is trough is doing. I will do so very soon. It's quite windy, all the way near the shore. So this unstable air from France and Netherlands is coming. It will create storms